Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to do the review of the Fifine mic which we bought yesterday, and so this is how its unboxing goes. So let me tell you about some of its special features, and also if you want to know the real difference between the mic that I'm using now and the mic we used to use before, you can check our previous videos. You can easily make out the difference, okay? So let me tell you something about this mic. It's very beautiful. Its look is classic. So the USB recording microphone plugs right in and can be used immediately. Okay, we didn't have to install something or anything. Just plugging it and it got installed by itself. And since it's a strictly USB, both PC and Mac users will benefit. Compatible with PC and Mac, ready to use when and where you need it. You yourself can see how classic its look is, okay? The recording microphone available that offer high quality recordings and plug directly into your computer. Recording microphone for YouTube videos, work with any recording software or communication platform. So you don't have to download special drivers or tools. Now let me tell you about how it improves the sound of audio projects. First, condenser microphone with USB output for digital recording. Plug and play YouTube. USB microphone has a cardioid pickup pattern. This USB mic is really great at picking up vocals and leaving background noise out of the recorded audio. Now I'm sitting in a room where the AC is turned on. Okay, in the next rooms coolers are turned on. Still, it is not catching any voice. You yourself can easily make it out. Yeah. Recording microphone with volume control. So it has this volume knob in front, which you can easily adjust. The studio microphone compatible with Windows Vista XP 2000 and Mac OS X. Microphone for Mac for multi-purpose itself feels really durable as it is constructed out of metal. And it comes with a tripod desk. This is very good thing about it. You can easily place it somewhere. You don't have to hold it over in your hands. And so there's no chance of getting disturbed. You can easily place it on a firm surface and you're ready to go. Then computer microphone is best suited for podcasting, voice acting, recording and doing voiceovers. So let's place reading voiceovers over a mixed podcast. And for you to easily buy it, I'll put the link in the description box so that you can easily click and it would be just a one click away. So you can definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for listening to me till the end. Take care. Bye bye.